Hello everyone. Welcome to Russell's Recipe. For today's video, join me as I try to perfect Mindanao's favorite chicken pastil recipe and see if I can make it as delicious as the locals do. Chicken pastil is a dish that's deeply rooted in the culture of Mindanao. It's a staple in many households and is often served during special occasions. But what makes it so special? For one, it's a dish that's deeply personal, with each family having their own secret recipe passed down from generation to generation. And two, it's a dish that's all about balance, the balance of flavors, the balance of textures, and the balance of presentation. When it comes to finding an authentic chicken pastil recipe, many of us face a common challenge. We scour the internet, trying out different recipes, only to find that they lack the authentic flavors of Mindanao. We add this, we take away that, and yet, it's just not the same. I know I've been there, done that, and got the t-shirt. But today, I'm on a mission to change that. I'm going to share with you a recipe that's been passed down to me from a local, and I'm excited to see if it lives up to the hype. One of the things that sets chicken pastil apart from other dishes is the attention to detail when it comes to the ingredients. You can't just use any old chicken, any old vegetable, or any old spice. You need to use the freshest ingredients, the highest quality spices, and the right type of oil. So, let's start with the ingredients we need. We're going to need skinless chicken breast, shred into small pieces. We're going to need onions, garlic, ginger, and lemongrass for added depth of flavor. Carrots. We're going to need potatoes. We're going to need our spice blend, which includes salt, pepper, and some bay leaves. Now that we have our ingredients, let's start cooking. The first step is to boil the chicken breast and shred it into small pieces. Add enough oil. Next, we will sauté our onions, garlic, and ginger until they're soft and fragrant. Then, we're going to add in our chicken. Mix carefully. After that, we're going to add in our spice blend and cook the chicken until it's browned on all sides, stirring constantly. Add enough ground black peppercorns. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix carefully. Add half a cup of oyster sauce. Add half a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, add some bay leaves for added aroma. If you find this video entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be informed when we post new videos. It would be great help for my small channel. Thank you. And finally, we're going to add in our potatoes, carrots, and green beans, and cook for another minute or until they're tender. As we cook, I want to share a few tips that I've learned along the way. First, make sure you're using the right type of oil. You want an oil that's got a high smoke point, so it can handle the high heat. Second, don't overcook your chicken. You want it to be moist and tender, not dry and tough. And third, don't be afraid to experiment. This is your recipe, and you can make it your own. The moment of truth is finally here. It's time to assemble our chicken pastil and see if it's as delicious as the locals do. And I've got to say, it looks amazing. The colors are so vibrant, the aroma is enticing, and the presentation is impeccable. It's like a little piece of Mindanao on a banana leaf. So, to recap, to make this delicious chicken pastil, you're going to need to follow these simple steps. First, boil the chicken breast and shred it into small pieces. Second, saute your garlic, ginger and onions. Then, add in your chicken and cook until it's browned on all sides. After that, add in your spice blend and cook for another minute, stirring constantly. Finally, add in your potatoes, carrots, and green beans, and cook until they're tender. If you give this recipe a try, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Did you make any changes to the recipe? And if you're looking for more delicious recipes, be sure to check out my other cooking videos for more ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.